Hi, I'm Nick, and today we will be showing you how to resolve Android WCAG accessibility violations using the Mesmer JetBrains plugin. WCAG 2.1 defines two rules pertaining to text contracts. WCAG 1.4.3 defines a minimum contrast ratio between the text and the background. This ratio is 1.3 for larger fonts and 1.45 for smaller fonts. Expanding upon this, WCAG 1.4.6 defines a preferred contrast ratio. This is 1 to 4.5 for larger fonts and 1 to 7 for smaller fonts. The intent of this success criterion is to provide enough contrast between the text and its background so that it can be read by people with moderately low vision without the use of contrast-enhancing technologies. For more details on the specifics of WCAG contrast violations, check out this website here, link also in the description below. Now, let's fix the contrast violation using the Mesmer JetBrains plugin, but first, don't forget to like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. This tutorial assumes you are comfortable running Mesmer accessibility audits with the Mesmer JetBrains plugin. If this is not the case, check out our video introducing the Mesmer JetBrains plugin, link in the description below. Mesmer's object searchability allows you to easily find the object responsible for your accessibility violations. Searching for the resource ID allows us to find the object and its style sheet responsible for this violation. This violation is caused by white text on a light purple background. From the style sheet, we can change the text color from white to black to increase the text contrast ratio. And just like that, we've already resolved our contrast violation with the help of the Mesmer JetBrains plugin. The Mesmer JetBrains plugin makes it easy to resolve your contrast violations. What violation would you like to see us resolve next? Let us know in the comments below. Happy developing!